We're still learning how to do it a little bit as things continue to open up, but there is an app that I want to talk about, and under the CARES Act, we were afforded an opportunity to use this money to develop new technologies, and I challenged the county and county administration to be progressive and be unique and be exciting and new in how we combat COVID. And so I'd like to introduce the CombatCOVID app that has been released or will be released in Palm Beach County within the coming weeks. This app, in addition to being an essential resource for information, that's one of the things that my constituents complain about the most, is we're never really sure where to go because there's so many governments involved and there's so many issues that we need help with. For example, utility bill assistance or rental assistance or mortgage and foreclosure assistance. It would be very helpful to have a central location for that besides our website. And so what this app will do, in addition to some very other exciting things, is put a central resource in place on your phone for Palm Beach County residents to be able to find all that information. And even more exciting is if you need a testing site location, you need a phone number, you need to know whether it's free or it's private health insurance, whether it's serological or it's an actual test for COVID-19 positivity, you can get that on the app. But there's new technology that is emerging as a result of this crisis. And some of the technology uses GPS location, which I don't believe in our county and probably on a larger sense in this country that we are ready to embrace the government getting involved in GPS tracking. It's just doesn't sit well with me, and I don't think it should sit well with most people. There are unique circumstances where we can opt into that, but we didn't want that technology part of this app. So what this app does, and Shield Group Technologies is the one that developed this app for Palm Beach County. They are a Palm Beach County-based company. They have done work for the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office, the Attorney General of Florida, and other governmental agencies. Shield Group Technologies, through creating the CombatCOVID app, will do the following in terms of helping us combat COVID, and that is utilize, if you download the app and you want to participate in this feature, you don't have to, you can use it just for the information services purposes only, but if you want to use the part of the app that uses Bluetooth technology, what it will do is if I have my phone in my pocket and I've opted into that Bluetooth technology portion of the app, if I go to a restaurant and I walk within 6 to 14 feet of somebody that has the app as well, and the Bluetooth will actually connect and make what they call, I think, a tether or an anchor of some sort, and it will make a momentary impression of that person's phone. Not their phone number, not their identity, only that Bluetooth technology connection. Now, if that person that you cross paths with ends up getting testing positive for COVID-19, this app will anonymously notify anyone else that has come into contact with that person through Bluetooth technology within the last whatever time frame we put on it. Will probably be 21 days, so that 14 days later, if I cross Dr. Alonzo, well, I don't want to use her, I want to use somebody else that it doesn't exist, gets COVID-19. If I cross that person's path, and then 14 days later, that person happens to get tested positive for that app, for COVID-19, they can go into the app and they can say, I have it. From there, it will notify every person that had linked through that Bluetooth technology and notify them that they had crossed paths with somebody that has COVID-19. You can immediately use that app to find the nearest location to use or to get a testing done for yourself. And so this is the innovative technology that we need to learn to adapt to. You don't have to use it, but we hope that you will be excited about this new progressive idea that is launching here in Palm Beach County. We are the first county in the state to launch this. There's a broader purpose here as well, and I hope that our colleagues in the counties to the south, like Broward and Miami-Dade, if we can get that similar technology adopted down in those two counties, we will have a regional weapon to fight this pandemic, if you choose to participate in that. If you don't, that's fine. We still hope you'll download the app. It will never identify who you are. It never stores it in your phone, who that person is, what their phone number is. That's not even accessible through this technology. So we're very excited about CombatCOVID, and we will continue to find ways to have a meaningful impact through technology in this county, and we will continue to lead the way on things that can be done that are new and vibrant and exciting, but effective as well. And the last issue I want to discuss, and I'm going to turn it